Now let's take a look at how products get into the product table. By navigating into the admin section, over here we have products and quotes area with product catalog, categories, product types, and quote configuration. Diving into the product catalog, we can see all the different products that we have, including the product type, their category name, whether they're available, inventory levels, and so forth. If we drill into a particular item, you can see all the details of that particular product and its associated values, quantity in stock, if it is a service, if it is a renewable service, which helps for companies that are selling software as a service or other renewable type products. When renewable products are sold and the opportunity is marked close won, it will automatically generate a new opportunity for renewal. It's showing down here our cost levels and our price levels that we allow. We can add descriptions or even product URLs if we want to link to a product catalog online. If we choose to create a new product, simply click Create and go to the same form that you just saw filled in and fill in the details and create the new product.